Hello everyone, this is my review of Miracle-Gro Leaf Shine. This is a good product to use to brighten up your plants, especially if they're looking a little bit dull. It can give them a little bit of more lively look and shine to it, especially potted plants that you may have in the house area where they may not get enough sun or get enough weather to clean them off. You can use this to give them a nice clean and shine, and it doesn't harm the leaves or block up the pores and stuff. So I likes it, and it it works pretty good. And you don't have to take a rag or anything to wipe it off. You just spray it on there. It doesn't have any odor or like a film on there. So I recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.